Greetings everyone. So today I want to talk about what you need to do first. The first set of things you need to do when you buy a laptop or a PC. Okay, so after you get that shiny new laptop or PC and you're trying to, set it up, go through the setup process, one of the things you want to do is set up an administrative account and you want to set up a guest account. For a guest account, you want it for anybody that comes over to your house and they need to use your computer or your laptop. You want them to sign into the guest account so they don't get into your account and see your information. To set up a guest account, you want to go to settings and then you want to do add users. And then after you add user, then you want to just say whatever it is. You can say guest or name it whatever you want to. Then once you choose that, you want to set them up under standard account. Not an administrative account, a standard account. That way they can use the computer and still get things done, but they can't install anything or do anything that's going to ruin your system. So that's one of the things you want to do after you go through the setup process. The second thing you want to do is run updates, because depending on how long that thing has been sitting on the shelf at the store, it's probably missed a lot of updates that's been pushed out during that time. So in the little search bar at the bottom, you want to type updates, and then you'll see it comes up on that menu. Choose to check updates, and then it's going to open up where all the updates are going to be downloaded, and just let it download all those updates. It's probably going to take a while depending on how long the system has been set. So take the time to run those updates before you do anything else. Don't go surfing the web or anything like that yet. Run the updates first so you can have the latest software that the system needs and the latest security patches that the system need also. Now, after you completed all the updates, Windows itself come with an antivirus program called Windows Defenders. But if you don't feel comfortable just using that, there's a lot of antivirus software out there that you can use. I got 5 listed right here that you can choose from. So any one of these software are going to give you some type of level of protection. Windows Defender itself comes with Windows, so you're not paying extra to use that software, no monthly or yearly bill. But the ones I have listed is a yearly or monthly payment depending on which one you choose. Now, I personally like Malwarebytes, but if you choose any one of the other ones on the list, it's still going to work for you. So those are the 3 main things that I need you to do to your new system that you purchase. After that, go to town. Enjoy your games, surf the web, watch movies, or whatever.